What's up guys, Bright Guy How To Reviews here, and well, what do we have here? So these are the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2 in matte black. There's also a light gray version on the website. These are about $250 and they are noise canceling headphones. Now to be honest, I don't really like using Microsoft products because it's like they make you sign in with a Microsoft account with pretty much everything nowadays, and it's like I don't want to create a Microsoft account. You know, one time when I was trying to set up the HP computer, I'll link it right here, when I was trying to set up that computer for the first time, it told me to sign in with a Microsoft account. And I don't have a Microsoft account, and it tried to force me create a Microsoft account in order to even set up the computer. I found a way to set it up without having to put in a Microsoft account. So now, back to these. Let's get to the unboxing. Cue the unboxing music. So this box, like pretty much any box with tech in it, is wrapped in a thin layer of plastic, which is extremely hard to get off. I'm not even sure how to do this. Yes, got it. And now the box doesn't, the top of the box does not want to come off. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look in there. Nice little gray. Nice. So you have the case along with something here. I think it's like a manual or a cord. Yeah, it's a manual. Yeah, it's a manual. So yeah, that's it for in this box. So we don't need that anymore. You just grab these. The moment we've all been waiting for. Just open these. And are you kidding me? The headphones aren't even in here. I just wasted $250. And then we have the headphones here, which let me just put this piece of foam out. Then we have a bit of instructions. Along with a USB-C charging cable. And an auxiliary cable. So, time for me to get these set up. Be back in a few. Alright, so after unboxing these, I decided to take a little walk around my neighborhood, listen to these, and so since these are from Microsoft, they have Cortana built in. So once you turn them on, Cortana's voice tells you how much power you have left.
11 hours left.
And then when you turn them off, you hear Cortana's voice say,
Goodbye.
yeah, so she'll tell you how much battery you have left when you turn them on, and then she'll tell you goodbye when you turn them off. So on these headphones, you have 2 touchpads on both sides. You tap to play pause, double tap to go to the next track, and triple tap to go to the previous track, and then touch and hold to decline a call. So of course it has a power switch, and it also has a microphone mute switch, which is something that I've never seen on any headphones before. I mean, I watch a lot of review videos on YouTube, and it's like I have not seen a microphone mute button on many headphones. And it charges via USB-C, which is, well, I think this is my first device that charges via USB-C, because my phone is an iPhone and it charges with the lightning cable, and then my laptop is an HP computer. It just charges with the DC 12 volt adapter, I think. Yeah, and it also has a headphone jack for when you want to hook it up to a device and when the headphones are out of battery and you can't charge. Noise cancellation won't work, but you can hook them up manually and they'll work. So the second thing I want to talk about is, well, actually the third thing is these rings. Gotta love these rings. So the right ring is volume control, has 15 levels of volume, and then on the left is the ring that controls noise cancellation. So from what I heard on a couple of reviews is that there are 13 levels of noise cancellation. There are actually only 4. There's low, high, medium, and ambient sound pass through, or something like that. But yeah, I don't know where they got 13 from, because for me it's like I turn it just a bit, it goes into low, turn it a bit more, goes into medium, and then it says that it's a maximum noise cancellation mode. So yeah, I don't know why they said 13. But yeah, that's all I have to say for these headphones right now. These are just the first impressions. This video is not a review. I will be coming out with the full review sooner or later, but that's been it. And before you go, if you look in the description, there are 2 links. One link will lead to the video request form. You can fill that out if you have any video ideas. The second link goes to the playlist with the music that I use in my videos. A couple of friends were asking me, hey, what music do you use in your videos? So I decided to create a playlist with with videos of the music that I use in my videos. If you want to know what songs I use in my videos, and then you want to use them in your videos or use them somewhere else, then you can check out that playlist and then download them. So yeah, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.